With HiHello, the #1 digital business card app, you can easily share your business cards with anyone, anywhere, anytime. And if you have an iPhone, you can use Siri to quickly access your card send screen. In this video, we'll show you how to create a Siri shortcut using HiHello. To get started, open the app and pick the card you'd like to add a shortcut for. You can either double tap the card or tap the card and tap send to open the send screen. From here, tap add to Siri. You'll notice a command is already autofilled, but you can hit change voice phrase to customize it. Once you've picked the perfect voice phrase, go ahead and tap done. Now you can open Siri and say, "Hey Siri, show my card," and it'll pull up the send screen to your digital business card. To learn more about all of HiHello's features, make sure you check out our other videos and head to www.hihello.me to learn all about digital business cards.